Guys, I'm still working on my palm oil, my banga soup that I want to cook, but I just have to extract some oil away from it. You know, I am so excited that I have this fresh banga fruit from Africa. It's giving me joy, and I've been working on it as if I've won a contract. Let's extract some oil away from it because I want to cook banga soup and banga rice. This is the banga seed. I've washed it and cleaned it very well. Then I'm going to dry it. Then later I will start breaking them to eat garri. Did you relate to this? Can you remember? Can you remember in those days? Wow. All these things that I'm doing remind me of when I was in Nigeria helping my mommy and my daddy. It reminds me a lot. Look at, I'm bringing out oil. Shy. This is how to make palm oil. Okay, what we all use to prepare our dishes. Beautiful. I can feel the aroma. Don't just call Abby. Abby, you have started again. Yeah, that is me. I've started again. Now me like food for this house. Yeah, I do like food. Oh. And I'm not gonna tell me what I go do now food. Yeah. You know, when I washed it yesterday, this is how I cleaned everything, extract and divide everything away from each other. So I'm still doing it, and it makes me to get excited doing this work. It gave me that vibe, that energy, that, you know, that feeling that I am a real African woman. Nothing can take that away from me. Oh my